In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update billing information in Hubstaff. If you need to change the payment details connected to your Hubstaff account, the process is simple once you know where to look. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through each part clearly so you can update your billing information without confusion. To begin, sign into your Hubstaff account and make sure you're on the main dashboard. Once you're there, look to the upper right corner of the screen. You'll see your organization name displayed there. Click on your organization name to open the account options menu. This is where Hubstaff groups together settings related to your organizations and account access. From that menu, select Organizations. This will take you to the area where you can view all organizations connected to your account. If you manage more than one organization, this page is especially helpful because it lets you switch between them and manage each one separately. Take a moment here to locate the organization you want to modify, since billing settings are handled individually for each organization. After you find the correct organization, click on the organization menu for that entry. This menu gives you access to additional management options related to that specific organization. Look for the Actions option, and from there, choose Manage Billing. This will open the billing section for that organization where you can review and update payment-related information. Once you're in the billing area, look for the option labeled Update Payment Method. In some cases, you may instead see an edit link next to your current payment details. Either option will take you to the same place, allowing you to change the billing information currently on file. Carefully enter the updated payment details exactly as needed. It's a good idea to double-check everything before saving, especially if you're updating a card or another payment method used for automatic billing. Even a small typo can cause payment issues later, so taking an extra few seconds here can save time. After you've made your changes, follow the prompts on the screen to confirm and save the updated information. Once saved, your new billing details should be applied to that organization's account going forward. And that's it. That's how to update billing information in Hubstaff. If you're managing multiple organizations, just remember to repeat the same process for the correct one, so the changes apply where you need them.